Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn this beautiful Celtic knot hairdo. As you can see in the video, follow these steps. Watch full tutorial to learn this style. Thank you so much for watching the video and do not forget to subscribe because we are coming with so many informative videos for you related to this industry. So bye bye, take care. We'll meet in next tutorial. Till then keep practicing on your dummy. Thank you so much again.